Today on Adventures and Things, I attempt a cinematic video with an Insta360 Go 2. Intro! And I wanted to make a cinematic video, but first I had to figure out what even is a cinematic video. Okay, so the first thing I learned is that you need slow motion. If you have slow motion, bam, you're Roger Deakins. So the other thing that I learned about making cinematic videos is also tied into slow motion, and you need a pretty girl running along the beach in slow motion, twirling about, or running through tall grass and then looking back all slow-mo like she wants to giggity or shimanoigity. That's cinematography there. The other things that I found is that you need to have a time shift or time lapse, or sometimes even both in the same video. The other thing that I learned is that you have to whip your camera around like a maniac to get the cinematic shots. I think it's painfully obvious I don't know what a cinematic video is, and I need to learn a little bit more about that. But I had a lot of fun making this. I had a lot of fun just trying to see if it could look somewhat cinematic, and I think it kind of does with this Insta Go 2. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and tune in next time when I maybe do another cinematic video, but with my Black Magic app.